Mastering the passive voice with should. Hello learners! Today we're going to dive deeper into the realm of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to focus on an exciting aspect of the passive voice, using it with the modal verb, should. The structure might seem a little tricky at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll master using the passive voice with should. Before we delve into the use of should with the passive voice, it's crucial to understand the passive voice itself. In the passive voice, the focus is on the action and the receiver, not the doer. The object becomes the subject. For instance, instead of saying, John painted the wall, active voice, we might say, the wall was painted by John, passive voice. Modals, like should, could, would, etc., are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Today, we're focusing on should, which usually expresses advice, recommendations, or obligations. Now, let's move on to the main focus of our video, forming passive voice with should. The structure typically goes as follows. Subject plus should plus be plus past participle plus by plus agent. Here, the agent is optional and only used when we want to mention who or what performed the action. Let's look at an example. You should clean the room. Active voice transforms to the room should be cleaned by you. Passive voice. Here, the action, cleaning the room, and the receiver of the action, the room, are emphasized rather than who should do it. Let's go through a few more examples to reinforce our understanding. They should deliver the package today. Active voice becomes the package should be delivered today by them. Passive voice. And we should finish the project by Friday. Active voice becomes the project should be finished by Friday by us. Passive voice. As you see, the use of should in the passive voice lays emphasis on the action and the recipient, giving your sentences a different perspective. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use the passive voice with should. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to practice these structures in your daily conversations and writings. We hope this video has been helpful and has made this topic clearer for you. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning!